The mama bear has come. Cute little.
Huwag mo na kayo, ano siya, madi-disturb. Dito ka lang. Eric. Don't let him see you. Just stay there on that position. Not too close.
Because this.
You can zoom it.
But they can see.
Can I take you? Ganyan lang niya, Kyra. Hindi mo siya kita. Steady mo lang.
He's a bombastic side-eye.
Ere, pag nakita ka niya, galit siya niya. Hindi na babalik yan. Dali, kawawa ang bird.
Yung maleta nga lang yakap. Okay.
It's being hatched by the pip bomb.
Ha?
Said,
Ah.
it's looking at the camera. Oh! And turn around.
They're left with an extra piece. Is this actually real? Well, you see, when you put it back together, the bar actually gets shorter. And this happens because the extra piece has exactly the same volume as the small cut made on the bar. So it is just an illusion. If you cut a chocolate bar using this method, you'll get chocolate. But how is this possible?
But do you remove this?
Ito.
Mamaya may pagkain.
Ma, remove this.
Wala, ito. Hindi nga re. Ito pwede na to ng pang-are. Pang-are.
Ma!
Aray, mamaya. Stand.
What kind of bird is this? What kind of bird is this? I need a scissor. Remove the
Punta daw
thing.
dun bukas naka-uniform na nagayani. Sabi, dahil start na ng pares.
Is this actually real? Well, you see, when you cut the chocolate bar and put it back together, the bar actually gets shorter. And this happens because the extra piece has exactly the same volume as the small cut made on the bar. So it's just an illusion.
Disturb, tulog siya.
No, this.
Hindi pwedeng tanggalin yan. Aalis yan pag nakakita ng tao.
If you like chocolate, like and subscribe. So you must have seen these videos where people
Hello.
cut chocolate using strange methods.
Hi, bombastic side down.